This is the drive shaft condition of right hand side. Now they are going to open the left hand one. So this is the left hand side also. So here also one of the boots have torn out, the other one is just in okay condition. So this one will also require servicing and replacement of the boots. So the drive shaft service has started. He will remove the older boots first, then apply drive shaft grease and check whether the bearing needs any replacement. And after that, if the bearing needs replacement, he will replace the bearings and reinstall the boots with fresh grease. Now he is removing the bearings, and also he will check whether the bearings are in okay condition or not. Normally in the gearbox side it remains okay, damages takes much less in the gearbox side, but the toll takes on the wheel side actually. So that is the main thing. In my previous experiences I have never repaired any drive shaft, but this time I am trying that, because as you know I already have another car which is brand new, so I am trying cheap. So let us check if it really works or not, and he says that he will give warranty on that also. Now he is machining all the parts. So if any abnormality is there, it will be ironed out. Now absolute cleanliness is necessary. So he is cleaning all the components.
जो कटा हुआ है ना दाग है, इसी में बेरिंग जब जाता है ना बॉल
अच्छा
कर 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 करता है कटाने में, देख रहे का माल डैमेज हो चुका था।
अच्छा
समझे,
लेकिन फिर भी आवाज नहीं आ रहा है।
आवाज था 10 से 15 दिन में निकल जाता आपका आवाज, तो फिर डबल में खर्चा होता आपका। ये वाला
तो इसको क्या ग्राइंडिंग करेगा?
इसमें जो है वेल्डिंग धराया जाएगा।
अच्छा,
वेल्डिंग धरा कर देख रहे यहाँ पे आपको जो है इस माफिक प्लेन किया जाएगा इससे। अच्छा, एकदम इस तरफ में गड्ढा नहीं है, इस तरफ में गड्ढा है, इस तरफ में बॉल फंसता है इसमें। अच्छा। जब बॉल जाता है ना गड्ढा में तो कर 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 करता है, ऐसे बन जाएगा प्लेन एकदम।
तब नहीं
तो नहीं होगा, समझे ना?
समझ गया। Now he will weld some areas where some machining will be required. So he will weld those areas. Spot welding is required because some of the areas have gone rough. So after welding he will machine those areas. Now he will machine those areas. Machining is must, as the area should be even, so no roughness is there.
इसको हटाना है, ऐसे करना है, ग्राइंडिंग किया जाएगा।
So already you can see the welded areas. Yes, a welding, all these places have been welded, and after that he will grind those areas also. Part is being machined properly, so the area stays absolutely smooth and no friction is happening. So he is machining the entire area. All the grinding job has been completed, and now he will assemble the entire drive shaft, grease it and repack with the fresh boots. Now he will clean all the grinded parts and for assembling the drive shaft. You can see how fresh it has become inside. Absolutely like a new one. Now we will assemble all the balls. As you can see, there is no more play that was previously there. It is the special drive shaft grease that you need to use. That is lithium grade 2 grease is required. You must not give any wheel bearing or multi-purpose grease in this area, as they won't last, because drive shaft requires very thick consistent grease which withstands very tough and abnormal conditions, and it must be such a grease that is resistant to water, dust and all those things. So that's why it is always recommended to use proper drive shaft grease for this application. The lock is being applied.
इनको छोड़ दे रहे तो आपको कर दे रहे हैं। माल रेडी है, खाली फिटिंग करना पड़ेगा।
Applying boot clip after installing the new boots. Finally, the differential side. apply that special drive shaft grease.
ये वाला हो गया.
So the right side is complete. Absolutely looking like a fresh drive shaft. And after a month or two, I will give you an update how it's performing. Because this is the first time I am repairing a drive shaft in my life. I have never gone for a repair. Since you know that this car is pretty old and I don't like to spend much on for this car, so that's why I have gone for a repairing job. Let us see how it performs.
गारंटी डेट
हाँ
12
13 तारीख. So he is writing a date also. He gives a 3 months warranty. So that's a good thing. Finally, the left hand side, the wheel side is already complete. Now the differential side. The lock has been fitted. Okay? So finally both the drive shafts have been completed, and you can come to this particular shop. It is just beside the Toliganj railway bridge. The place is known as Shukno Pukur, and you can come here, and the guy's name is MD Parvez, and he specializes in drive shaft repair. So if you want to come and want to do a drive shaft repair of your car, you can easily come here and do this job.